Hey guys, welcome back to another wonderful Golden's Cast Iron video. I'm Brentley Hudson. I'm going to be your host today. For our cook, we're going to be doing some beautiful bone-in ribeyes. So stick around, we're going to get right to it. Alright, so the star of the show today, besides our beautiful Golden's Cast Iron cooker, is going to be these ribeyes. So what I have here is 1.5 inch bone-in ribeyes. Now you can see the beautiful marbling over all of these, and just with having the bone in, that adds a bit of extra flavor to the steak in my opinion. So I love cooking bone-in ribeyes. Now ribeyes have enough flavor in there because all of the marbling we've talked about, so I like to do just a bit of salt and pepper on one, and then we've got this beautiful Melissa Cookston's Grillin Shake. She is a big fan of ours, and we are a big fan of hers. Her favorite cooker on her back porch is our Golden's Cast Iron cooker, so we love what she does. She's a 7-time world champion barbecue, and we're very, very happy that she's a part of the Golden's Cast Iron family. So let's get started here. We'll just get a bit of pepper and salt over these cuts. All right, and on the second one, we're just going to use this Grillin Shake. Now this is a mixture of garlic, salt, pepper, and some other proprietary spices that make Melissa's Grillin Shake. These steaks will really just, this is going to add just enough flavor to the crust and the sear that we're gonna put on this steak. So we'll put a little bit of this on there and let it sit in. I'm gonna do the other side, and we're gonna go get the grill ready. So what I like to do is get these nice and rubbed down, and then we'll let this sit on the steak. So it'll pull some of the moisture out, let these flavors can set in to the steak, go outside, put it on that grill, and the whole thing will just turn into a masterpiece. So we're gonna go out and get the grill started. Y'all be sure to like and subscribe right down here, and let's get the grill going. All right. Now we're going to get this beautiful Golden's Cast Iron cooker set up to grill some steaks. We're going to be using our awesome divider plate. What this does is it divides the firebox in half, and it allows me to not have to use a ton of charcoal. So if you don't have a divider plate, why not? It's a perfect accessory for your Golden's Cast Iron cooker. So I'm just going to put, let's see, we'll get, about that much of this beautiful lump in there. If you wanted to do handfuls, that's about 2 handfuls. And then all I need is these beautiful starter cubes. We'll get this thing lit and good to go.
That was amazing camera work.
All right, so we've got our Golden's Cast Iron cooker up to grilling temperature. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this bad boy up, talk a little bit about these beautiful cast iron grates. So they are solid, heavy-duty cast iron, and they are raw as they come to you, but the beautiful thing about it is that I like to take a little bit of duck fat and coat these grates before and after each cook. So what that does, you can use canola oil, olive oil, Pam spray, bacon fat, beef tallow, any type of oil or fat that you would like to season up your cast iron skillet with, you can do the same thing for your cast iron grates. And it's real easy. Just a little before coat and an after coat, before and after each cook, that is. You just give it a good once over, and that seasoning will build up. But now, got that done. You ready to put these steaks on? I sure am.
So I'm gonna push these down a little bit and just try to get some great grill marks on this. That's a beautiful thing about these Golden cast iron cooker grates, is that they have a nice point on here so you can get supreme restaurant quality grill marks on your steaks. So I'm gonna let this cook for about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes on this side, and then pull them off, rotate them 45 degrees, and be good to go. So we'll see you in just a few seconds. All right, guys, we're gonna check these beautiful steaks out and see how they're going with the first set of the grill marks there. Oh man, I think they're gonna be beautiful. So, oh yeah, that's right. Now I'll turn it 45 degrees and get that other side done. Get another little press down on that. All right, guys, let's get these checked. So I am thinking that is, oh yeah, that's beautiful right there. So I'm gonna let this rest over here for just a second and get my grates. Oh, that's beautiful, beautiful. And before I turn, just to keep the grates in a good way, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scrape all the seasoning off of here. And then I'm gonna put a little bit more duck fat on. So just get this done. Just to get them nice and coated again. All right. So we're gonna let this sear. Getting ready to pull those off in just a few minutes. All right, guys, stay tuned.
All right, guys, so we're here, and it's time to unveil the meat. We've let this rest for about 10-15 minutes. You can do 20, and that makes it beautiful. So these ribeyes, like I said, they've got the bone in. So I am gonna give these a nice cut and see how well we did. Y'all ready? Nice, medium, exactly what I was looking for on this steak here. Go over here on this side. Beautiful. Nice, little above medium rare for me, and that's exactly where I want it. So I'm gonna get these sliced up. We'll get some plates going as well, and hope you're excited as I am. Thank you. We've got our steak sliced up beautiful, and we also have our wonderful roasted Brussels sprouts and carrots here. So we're gonna go ahead and get this plated up and make sure, ooh, look how nice that looks right there. So get a good plate full of this steak coming on. Yeah, look at that. Some carrots, can't go wrong with this. And some of these beautiful roasted Brussels sprouts. I don't know about y'all, but I sure do love Brussels sprouts. And with this ribeye and these carrots, that is gonna make a meal for a champion. So let's take ourselves a bite and see what we got here. Oh. Bellissimo. Hope you guys have enjoyed our video. Thank you so very much. Remember, subscribe and like just as much as I'm liking this bite of steak in my mouth. Y'all have a great one. Thank you so very much.